Camberly Garage Doors offers an extensive product range. Choose from contemporary or traditional designs in a huge variety of materials, colours and finishes. Doors can be manual or powered and open in a variety of ways. Very little maintenance is required, and there is a comprehensive range of security and safety features. And of course, all garage doors are fitted to our exacting standards.
This was just a garage, a carport, and I was not happy with it because, as you can see, we're in the middle of the countryside, and security.
We're more than pleased with it, to be honest with you. We think it sets the bungalow off.
So I got some quotes, again, from people around about the area, and you came up with the best engineering solution. The time frame was good, we set a date, they came along and did the job in the right time.
Ian took me round the things, and I was quite impressed by him. The steel frame, which eliminates me going out there every year and painting it, and the pressed steel doors, you know, which I thought were good.
It just is solid going down to the bottom, and these come down right onto each other, so you can't actually prise anything into there, which is the main problem. I think with some of the doors you can actually get in with a lever or a crowbar and push it up. So I think that's a very good advantage of these doors. They really go down on the floor and compress it down.
The fitters are second to none, as far as we are concerned. We've always had good service from them, and we would recommend them.
Well, we're delighted because, first of all, I can actually open it from the top of the house as we leave, and that's good news because you're usually carrying something down the hill. We have, in fact, had to suffer it when we had a total power failure here. We were out of power for a whole day here, and we were able to use the manual opening procedure for real. So I was pleased to be able to prove that to my wife, that it does work when we've got no power.
It does what it says on the tin. It unlocks properly, it slides up and down properly, and no trouble at all.